Salam, my name is Nouhad Hamam and I'm the Female Youth Coordinator at Al-Huda Youth Society based in Toronto.
My name is Yasmine Noureddin and I'm the former Female Youth Coordinator at Al-Huda Muslim Society.
The goal of Al-Huda Muslim Youth is to provide a space for young people to feel seen, heard, and supported for who they really are. Our ultimate goal is to set the stage for the next generation of young, innovative Muslim leaders.
Join us to learn more about Al-Huda Youth Committee and how we're designing programs that are youth-led and youth-serving, as well as how we approach some of the challenges that we are facing in light of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic.
On this week's episode of Community Voice, we'll be speaking with sisters Nouhad Hamam and Yasmine Noureddin from Al-Huda Youth, an organization which aims to provide direction and safe spaces for young Canadian Muslims. Tune in this Saturday at 3 p.m. on YouTube Live. Your hosts for this week are myself, Imran Daramsi, and Fatima Al-Sayed. Umoja Outreach Foundation, uniting and empowering the Shia community.